ever seen a beehive hanging from a tree branch, buzzing with hundreds of bees? Or noticed how some plants like neem and adulsa are used as natural medicines? Well, in this video, we'll explore how humans work with nature through apiculture, cultivation of medicinal plants, and food processing. Fruit processing. You must have seen a beehive. It's a home built by honeybees to store honey and raise their young ones. Now, to collect honey, some people use a very harmful method. They smoke the hive with a burning torch to drive the bees away and then cut the hive into pieces. But what do you think happens next? That's right, it leads to the destruction of the hive and causes the death of many bees. However, there is better and a safer way. By using artificial bee boxes, honey can be collected without harming the bees or their hives. The scientific method of keeping bees for honey and wax is called apiculture. It helps both humans get honey and bees continue their work safely. India is blessed with rich biodiversity. From the snowy Himalayas to tropical forest, thousands of plants grow here and many have healing powers. Since the ancient times, people in India have practiced Ayurveda, a traditional system of medicines that use natural sources like plants to cure diseases. In earlier times, people collected medicinal plants directly from the forest. But as forest areas started decreasing, these plants became rare. So now, medicinal plants are grown or cultivated on farms to ensure their continuous availability. Let's look at the image here. You can see two important medicinal plants. It's pronounced like this: Athora vasica, also called Adulsa, and Azadirachta indica, a bit of a task to pronounce these, commonly known as neem. Adulsa leaves are used to make medicines that help with cough and cold, while neem leaves and seeds are used for skin care, dental care, and as natural pesticides. These plants show us how powerful nature's pharmacy really is. Now let's move on to something delicious: fruits. We all love products like chocolates, juices, jams, and jellies, right? Yeah, these tasty foods are made through food processing. But why do we need to process fruits? Because fruits are perishable, meaning they spoil quickly. So processing helps us preserve them and enjoy them all year round. Food processing can include cold storage, drying, salting, airtight packing, and making sweet preserve. Each of these methods helps prevent fruits from spoiling while keeping their flavor and nutrients intact. So today we learned three amazing ways humans work hand in hand with nature. Apiculture helps us collect honey safely. Cultivation of medicinal plants keeps traditional healing alive. Fruit processing helps us enjoy fruits long after season ends. Isn't it fascinating how science helps us use natural resources wisely without harming nature?